Congratulations! You have reached the final step. By completing this course, you've equipped yourself with the knowledge and skills to navigate the dynamic marketing landscape with confidence. As you move forward, remember that successful multi-channel marketing isn't just about mastering platforms or tools, it's about creating a unified brand experience that resonates with your audience. Keep your audience at the center of everything that you do, stay true to your brand's voice, and approach each campaign with creativity and strategy. To recap, you've explored the fundamentals of multi-channel marketing and learned how to design, execute, and optimize campaigns that span multiple platforms. You've discovered how to analyze audience behavior, integrate platforms for seamless storytelling, and use cutting-edge tools to bring your ideas to life. Most importantly, you've gained practical, hands-on experience with strategies that will help you drive engagement and deliver measurable results. Whether it's launching a cross-platform campaign or crafting content tailored for specific channels, you now have the foundation to lead with confidence. But your journey doesn't end here. Marketing is an ever-evolving field, and Adobe is committed to supporting you as you continue to grow. So keep an eye out for new templates, features, and innovations in tools like Adobe Express that will help you stay ahead of the curve. And on behalf of the team at Adobe, thank you for joining us on this journey. We can't wait to see the incredible campaigns and strategies you'll create for your brand and clients.